Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting clear, informed consent. Tracking without permission is illegal and invasive. Once you have consent, determine the phone's OS and update it. Make sure location services are on. Next, sign into the same account family group or add the person to your family sharing or Google Family group. Finally, enable the phone's background location and battery optimizations so the location remains accurate. These initial steps set the permissions and connectivity you need to proceed. Once done, configure the platform-level sharing. On iPhone, open Find My, choose Share My Location, and add the consenting contact or family group. Make sure precise location is enabled. On Android, open Google Maps, tap Location Sharing, choose the person and duration, and allow background location. Make sure both devices have Wi-Fi or mobile data active and that power saver rules aren't blocking background location. These steps create an authorized, platform-backed channel that reports location reliably. Finally, open the same app, Find My or Google Maps, to view the shared location, refresh to update. You can set alerts or limit sharing duration and always revoke access when tracking is no longer needed. If location doesn't appear, check 3 common causes: permissions, precise, and background, network connectivity, and battery saver or app restrictions that block updates. If problems persist, sign out and back in or restart the device. These fixes resolve most permission and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.